Zone 11, South Florida, checking in. Let's grow together, like and subscribe. We're at the macadamia nut tree right now. As I move in, you can see I've already been working here. Oh, I have some, let me not mess up the name, Nasturtium. We have some Nasturtium, and I'm gonna put this under the macadamia nut tree. Every part of this plant is edible. Those have just been put in. Every part of this plant is edible. Where'd I put my trusty little shovel? Okay, and we're gonna put these around this bad boy here. So we have a nice little edible plants around here. And as you can see, the soil is kind of sandy here in South Florida. But this plant seems to thrive in that. Let me untangle him a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and drop them in this sandy soil. This spot gets a good amount of sun, but there will be some protection from that hot Florida sun as we move into the year from the macadamia tree. Let me water these bad boys in. And that's how we do it. And we'll keep you updated on these as they grow. Also, I want to give everybody an update on the pigeon peas. Yes, so we have some pigeon peas and rice later this year. But this is an update on those baby pigeon peas, the seeds that I put in there. These help with the nitrogen in the soil. These will help with the other plants around them. So I'm going to probably put a couple of these pigeon peas, maybe 2 or 3 of these baby pigeon peas. I'm going to put these in these areas. Now the pigeon peas are going to get pretty tall and have a beautiful flower. Let's just put him in. And let's put him in. Let me get the roots of this guy right here. Let's put him in over here on the opposite side. And we'll have, because we have food all over the place. So this pigeon pea will go in here. Give him a little more dirt so he stands upright. And let's rock these guys on in. Like and subscribe. Let's grow together under the macadamia tree, messing around with some Nasturtium and some pigeon peas.